Hello students, today's our topic experiment class plus 1 subject physics. Before starting this practical, I have humble request. If you want to watch this video, you should be watch my previous video on screw gauge. Otherwise, don't waste your precious time. अगर तुसी ये एक्सपेरीमेंट देखना चाਹੁंदे हो ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਐਕਸਪੈਰੀਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇਖਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪਾਰਟ 1 ਜੋ ਸਕਰੂ ਗੇਜ ਦਾ ਮੈंने ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣੀ ਪਵੇਗੀ। ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏਗਾ, ਸੋ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਰਾਬ ਨਾ ਕਰਿਓ। Because in the first video I have explained all things about the screw gauge, means positive error, negative error, how we will take the reading, how we will be measure the pitch as well as the least count of a screw gauge। ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਵਾਂ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਸਕਰੂ ਗੇਜ ਬਾਰੇ। ਐਰਰ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਐਰਰ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਐਂਡ ਲੀਸਟ ਕਾਊਂਟ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੇਜ਼ਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਪਿਚ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਆਲ ਥਿੰਗ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦਾ ਸਕਰੂ ਗੇਜ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ। Now in this experiment I will be take only the readings and calculations. Now we starting our experiment. So first of all we will be explain aim, apparatus and theory and formula use. Then I will be take near about 4 reading and after calculation we will be get the result. Now aim to measure thickness of a given sheet using screw gauge. With the help of a screw gauge, my aim to measure the thickness of this sheet. मेरे को एक पतला जा पेज है, ਇਹਦੀ मैं मोटाई मापनी है। ये मेरा की है एम है, किहदे नाल मापांगा, with the help of a screw gauge. Now apparatus, screw gauge and sheet. We use only 2 apparatus. First is screw gauge and sheet. Now theory. Because a single paper sheet is very thin. ਹੁਣ जो मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ sheet दिखाई है ये बड़ी पतली है। Its thickness cannot be measured accurately. Hence, a large number of such thin sheets, say 35, should be taken to measure appreciable thickness. Hold these sheets between the 2 studs P and Q. Bring them in contact by rotating the red sheet R. Record the reading of linear scale, say it is capital N, and circular scale reading, say it is small n. The thickness of 35 thin sheets is given by D equal to capital N plus small n into least count of a screw gauge. Now thickness of one sheet, that is small t, D over 35 millimeter. Now in Punjabi, ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੱਕ sheet ਆ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੀ ਆ, ਪਤਲੀ ਆ। This sheet is very thin. If I want to be measure the thickness of one sheet, it is not it is not possible because sheet is very thin. Micrometer cannot measure the readings. Now, for solve this problems, what is solutions? मेरे को की solutions है. मैं एक sheet दा किया thickness find करना चाहूँगा, but my micrometer means screw gauge not possible to taking such a reading of a single sheet. एक sheet दी micrometer reading नहीं ले सकता. तो इस प्रॉब्लम हल करने में की करें I am taking 35 sheets. मैं की करांगा 35 sheet इकट्ठियां कलैक्ट कर लांगा. दो स्टार दे विच जो पी एंड क्यू स्टार्स ने स्क्रू गेज उन्हां दे विच उन्हां रखांगा. रैड चिट नूं घुमावांगा. उस तो बाद मैं अलग अलग पोजीशन के उपर 4 रीडिंग्स कंडक्ट करांगा. दैन आई टेक द मीन. एंड साडे कोल की हुंदा वा लीनियर स्केल आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेल यू. एन की हुंदे वा सर्कुलर स्केल रीडिंग एंड लीस्ट काउंट ऑफ स्क्रू गेज. बट आई वांट टू बी measure the thickness of one sheet, so I divide by the thickness with the 35. मैं 35 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ divide ਕਰਾਂ. Now it is on you. You will take the 20 sheets, 40 sheets as you wish. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਕਨਵੀਨੀਅੰਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਐਕੂਰੇਟ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 35 sheets ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ. Now let us start the experiment. Students, I am taking the reading of 35 sheets. For convenience, with the help of clipboard, I have fixed all the 35 sheets and mark 1, 2, 3, 4 from where with the help of screw gauge I will be take the reading. Now I am taking the first reading. मैं 35 शीटां नूं क्लैपबोर्ड की हेल्प दे नाल बाइंड कर लिया. नाउ स्क्रू गेज की हेल्प दे नाल मैं रीडिंगां लैण जा रहा. नाउ आई एम ओपनिंग द स्क्रू गेज with the help of ratchet. And important to be know, you rotate only from here. Ratchet, not from here. Now I am opening. मैं इसनूं ओपन कर रहा. Now between these two studs I am inserting the sheets. Now I have inserted the 35 sheets and now I am rotating again the ratchet until the sound of tick not came from screw gauge. Now I am rotating and all the 35 sheets. Now the sound of tick came, so I will be find what will be the readings on the reference lines and circular scales. So in the first case, the value of n means main scale reading, that is approximately 1, 2, 3, and circular scale reading, that is 36. Now I am writing these values. So in the first case, n linear scale reading, that is 3. Number of circular scale division on a reference line means small n, 36. Value 36 into 0.01, that is 0.36 millimeter. So observed reading, that is T1 equal to 3 means n plus n into least count means 0.36 millimeters. Rest of we will be solve on a white board. And again I am taking the second reading. Now students, I am opening the screw gauge studs with the help of ratchet. Ratchet ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਸਕਰੂ ਗੇਜ ਦੇ ਸਟਰਡਸ ਨੂੰ ਓਪਨ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ. Now inserting these 35 sheet from point number 2, taking second reading. Now again I am rotating the ratchet until the sound of tick not came from screw gauge, means screw gauge not properly until not properly closed. Now the sound of tick came, means it is totally closed. Two studs are totally closed. You will see here and here. Now I will be observe what will be the readings in this case. Now students, in this case the value of main scale reading, that is N3, and circular scale division coinciding with the reference line, that is a 40. So in the second case I am writing the values N3 and it becomes 40. So value n into least count means 40 multiplied by 0.01 and it is becomes 0.40 millimeter. So T2 equal to 3 plus 0.40 millimeters. Now students, I am taking the third reading. Now I am taking the reading from point number 3, rotating the ratchet. So all the 35 sheets completely closed between the two studs. Now I will be observe what will be the readings in this case. In this case again the value of capital N, that is main scale reading 3 approximately, and little bit more, but we will take for convenience 1, 2 and 3 millimeter. And the value of small n, that is 30. So in the third case value of main scale reading, that is 3, and number of circular scale division on reference lines means small and 37. So value 37 into 0.01, that is 0.37 millimeter. So T3 equal to 3 plus 0.37 millimeters. Now students, I am taking the fourth reading. Now students, I am taking the last reading, means the fourth readings. Open the studs with the help of a ratchet. Now inserting all the 35 sheets between the studs of screw gauge, and now I am rotating. I am rotating the ratchet. Now it is all the 35 sheets properly closed between two studs. Now I will be find what will be the reading. In this case the value of capital N, that is 3, and small n value have 38. When I observed carefully, the value of small n, that is a 38. So we have taken all the 4 readings. ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਰੇ ਰੀਡਿੰਗਾਂ ਲੈ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ. Now in this case that is 38. So 38 multiplied by 0.01, that is 0.38 millimeter. So T4 equal to 3 plus 0.38 millimeter. Now I am taking all the I have taken all the 4 readings Now I will be take mean of these 4 readings on the whiteboard. ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੀਡਿੰਗਾਂ ਕੰਡਕਟ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਈਟ ਬੋਰਡ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਐਂਡ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਫਾਈਂਡ the thickness of one sheet using the formula as I have prior told you. Now students, after taking all the 4 readings, I will be inserted all the values in the table. Now what in the tables? Serial numbers, first, second, third and fourth. Linear scale reading means capital N, in all cases 3. Circular scale reading, number of circular scale divisions on the reference lines means small n, and value n small n multiplied by least count of screw gauge, that means 0.01. So it becomes 0.36 millimeters, again 0.40 millimeters, and in the third case 0.37 millimeter, and the fourth case 0.38 millimeters. Now observed reading thickness, I am using the formula capital N plus small n into least count. In the first case T1, that is 3.36 millimeter, similarly T2, T3 and T4. Now after that, mean thickness of 35 sheets, that is T equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 divided by 4. So it becomes 3.37 millimeters, and if I divide the answer with 10, it converts into centimeters. Now it is a readings of 35 sheets, but I want to find the thickness of one sheet. So students, mean thickness of one sheet, that is T over 35. क्योंकि मैं 35 शीटां लईਆਂ ने, एक शीट की थिकनेस कितना आएगी, मीन थिकनेस ਨੂੰ डिवाइड करांगा 35 ਨਾਲ, and it is approximately 0.095 millimeter, and I want to the answer in centimeter, then I will be divided by 10. So answer 0.0095 centimeter approximately. So साडा जो आज दा एक्सपेरिमेंट सी वो सक्सेस आया. Thank you so much for watching, and share this video more and more. Join with the channel. Now my next experiment based on displacement reactions means chemistry ਦਾ मैं next practical करवाऊँगा. And thank you again so much for watching.